Welcome to Steleo. Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to open these surprises.
Stella's got a mini itty bitty pretties and Leo's got
I think Dino surprises. Let's open the itty bitty pieces.
yes, itty bitty pretties. Let's open this one up.
It smells good.
it's yum.
You want some more? Guys, now we're going to open the Ice Age egg. Ta-da! Let's break this baby up. Like this. Swish! That's not bad. Okay, guys, now we need to just open this baby up. I got the Chicosaurus, guys. more. I'll open this first. You smash it this time, guys. And now, why is this thing not cracking? What did I get? Guys, let's open the frozen slime. What's hot?
Oh, the frozen slime. Is it hot?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I feel it? I can't even feel it. What? I can't even feel it. Can I feel it?
So which one have we got?
The ankle mango. Sticky again.
What is it?
But it's way more easier to
Oh, it's frozen snow. It says frozen snow. Ooh, Stella, what do you have here? Oh.
I got this glitter glow thingy. What is this now? Wait, I need to pop that in there. More really.
What is that?
It's more slime. We need another container. What?
It's crystal slime. So we've got all the pieces?
We'll just have to connect them.